Students, this is our computer book, The Brain Game. Now open lesson number 2. Working with computer parts. Okay, babies, a car requires a lot of parts like engine, wheels, gears, etc. All these parts have to be together to drive a car. In the same way, to run a computer, it is necessary to have different parts together. Now we will talk about the different parts of a computer. Let us take the example of a car. It is made up of many parts like its engine, wheels, gears, etc. All these parts work together for the car to move. है ना? Similarly, a computer is made up of many parts and all these parts work together for the computer to perform various tasks. A computer is basically made up of the following parts: monitor, speakers, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Okay? Now we will talk about the different function of computer parts. Each computer part has different functions of different computer parts. Each computer part has a specific function which contributes to the overall working of the computer. Okay? First is monitor. First we will talk about monitor. Monitor. The work you do on the computer is only visible through the monitor. Okay? A monitor is an output device that displays the work that you do on the computer. It comes in various sizes like 15 inches, 19 inches, 21 inches or more. These days, we have LED monitors. These are light in weight, consume much less power and provide sharp picture display. Right? Next is CPU. We also call CPU the brain of computers. CPU solves problems and control other parts. Okay? The CPU solves problems and controls the operation of other parts of the computer. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Once again, speak with me. Central Processing Unit. Okay? Sorry. It is also known as a microprocessor. The CPU is inside the CPU cabinet. Next is keyboard. If we have to type something on the computer, listen carefully. If we have to type something on the computer, then we do it with the keyboard. Okay? To start work on the computer, we have to give instructions with the keyboard. A keyboard is used for typing and giving instructions to the computer. Pressing the keys to write something on a computer is called typing. The keyboard has keys for typing alphabets, numbers, and signs. When you type a command, the computer starts to work on that command. Okay, babies? Clear? Next is mouse. Mouse. Mouse is used for pointing and clicking. Okay? How do we work with the mouse? The mouse has two buttons. Two. Okay? And a scrolling wheel. Between these buttons. It has a pointer linked to it. The pointer moves on the screen in the direction in which the mouse is moved. By clicking the buttons on the mouse, you give commands to the computer. Working with the mouse. You can use the mouse in many different ways to do different kinds of work. Okay? First is pointing. Pointing the mouse means to move the mouse pointer to where you want it to point. This is done by moving the mouse. If we move the mouse, then pointer will be moved. Next one is clicking. Clicking is done by pressing and releasing the left mouse button in one quick action. Double clicking. Double clicking means 2 times. Double. 1, 2. Double clicking is to click the left mouse button twice quickly. Dragging. Dragging is done by holding down the left mouse button and moving this mouse on the mouse pad. Remember, by dragging the mouse, you can move items from one place to another or even draw lines with the help of mouse. Now look, there is a boy and a girl. The boy is questioning the girl. How should I do the drag and drop action? The girl is answering him. Press the left mouse button. Move the mouse on the mouse pad. Release the mouse button. This is called drag and drop. Speakers. From the speakers, we can also listen to any music from the computer, or any audio can also be heard in the computer. Okay? Speakers enable you to listen to music or other audio from the computer. Computer speakers are just like stereo speakers. They usually come in a set of 2 and are available in various sizes. Okay? These are of different sizes. Do you know there is a sound card in the CPU cabinet to which speakers are attached? Checkpoint. Fill in the missing alphabets to name the device shown below. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is keyboard. And what is the spelling of keyboard? Speak with me. KEYBOARD. Speak. KEYBOARD. Keyboard. These are speakers. Speak. SPEAKERS. Speakers. Once again. SPEAKERS. Speakers. This one is monitor. 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 Clear? About the UPS. Babies, do you know, if UPS is attached to the computer, even the light goes off, our computer does not shut down? A computer works with electricity, है ना? Which can go off anytime. And if you have not saved your work, it will be erased from the computer's memory. As soon as the electricity goes off, the term UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. We attach a UPS to our computer so that the computer does not switch off suddenly. When there is power failure, the UPS works on batteries. Fact file: a UPS prevents the computer from switching off as soon as the electricity goes off. It gives you some time to save your work.